Hey guys, what is up? And I'm back with a new video, and this time is going to be a tutorial on how to do the Black Paris edit. So if you don't know who that is, I'm going to leave it right here. You're going to see some screenshots from their Instagram account. Now if you don't follow them, they have quite a same kind of vibe going on their Instagram account, where they convert things that look normal into have a black filter over the top of it. They also have an Instagram story filter called Black Paris edit on their stories. It's an AR filter that they've produced especially for Instagram. Now as far as I know, there's no such preset that's been released for Lightroom as of yet, but I'm releasing it for you guys to use right now. It's free of charge. All you have to do is go down to the description, click the link there and download it. Now the only other thing I hope that you guys can do for me is follow me on Instagram and TikTok. That's all I want you to do to support me and this channel. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. If you like this video, to leave a like down below. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible, which will be within about 2 minutes. Now if you haven't used Lightroom before, it's very easy to import these presets. All you need to do is press D on your keyboard to go into the developer tab, and then on the left hand side there's going to be all your presets that are already loaded into Lightroom. Then you go into the top right hand corner and press import presets, and all you got to do is select it from wherever you downloaded it to on your computer and you're ready to go. Now the first preset is mainly used for landscapes, so if you have a subject in the shot, I wouldn't say to use that in the shot, just because it would mess with the skin tones and it wouldn't come out as nice as it would with the second one. The second one is mainly built for pictures with subjects in them, which means that will be more suited for those type of edit. Now if you guys do happen to use these lots on your pictures, make sure to tag myself as well as Black Paris in those pictures so we can find them on Instagram and leave a like for you. Now if you have any problems with downloading this stuff, all you gotta do is leave a comment down below and I'll tell you exactly what to do next. I've been pumping out videos over the past few days and I'm trying to get more and more into it, but obviously it's going to take a bit more time for me to get used to this because I haven't done videos in a very long time. Make sure to leave a like down below if you did like this video, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notifications to be notified when I upload a new video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.